Burger Bache, keep out of my range of videos. These videos are not for you, Burger Bachos. This is broken. I'm not you. This is broken. This is broken. Let's open this up. Roti plastic here. Oh my god. This is broken. This is okay. Okay. This is okay. This is broken. This is okay. This is broken. This is broken. Plastic pao. Plastic pao. Okay. Okay. Now I understand. Understand the cycle stand. Understand the cycle stand. Understand the cycle stand. Oh my god. This is okay. Okay. This is perfectly fine. This is okay. Okay. Guys, this is broken. This is. We have to create a new part of this, guys, because this is not turning. Okay. So we will try to create this part. Understood? Now let's start the task. First of all, apply the oil on this, like this. Applying oil will make it easier for this part. Otherwise, that will be checking. Yeah. Okay, guys. Huh? Okay, guys. Okay. Yeah, awas. Sudah sekarang. Nah, boleh. Ya boleh, dah. वो कसम वो इरादा भूलेगा दिल जिस दिन तुझे वो दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा क्या हुआ तेरा वादा वो कसम वो इरादा भूलेगा दिल जिस दिन तुझे वो दिन जिंदगी का आखिरी दिन होगा याद है तुझको तूने कहा था आओ 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 कहा था तो फिर तेनू भी हंसी आ रही आओ आओ नहीं कहा था की किया थी Audio. Okay. Okay. Look at, dude, look at it. So careful, dude, careful. You have to become careful. Otherwise, that will chipking on your skin, and the burger bacha, if skin chipking, then it will peel off your skin as well. So be careful. Make sure to wear protective equipment. Otherwise, you will be able to peel off your skins, and you will become zakhmi. Okay, understood? So better care. Okay, care. एक बेमिसाल सरमाया मैंने अपने हाथ से गवाया अरे कुछ ना बोल दुख सहंदे चल रहंदे sweep it out चल रहंदे चल. So we are going to apply another method. There is another alternate method for this. If many people say that we don't have this glue gun, so what is the another thing we can do to mold or something like that? So today I am going to fix this with the piece of thread, and after that I will be applying super glue Alfie on this, and we'll make something that will be able to fix this dimmer. Okay. So Abbas, can you give me that thread? He is my student. Oh, taga bra taga. हजारों ऐसे फासले थे जो तय करने चले थे राहें मगर चल पड़ी थी और पीछे हम रह गए थे कदम दो चार चल पाए आगे संग नहीं आता खुशियां और गम सहती है जिंदगी क्या कहती है अक्सर किसी ने ना जाना जिंदगी क्या कहती है खुशियां और गम सहती है फिर भी ये चुप रहती है अक्सर किसी ने ना जाना जिंदगी क्या कहती है. Oh my god! I'm going to apply some super glue on these threads so that it make a firm position, the position we required. Look at it, so much noise nickling. Hold this. What? Diggy nahi? And again start applying the threads like this. And I have another song. कहीं दूर चले जाए हम दूर इतना कि हमें छू ना सके कोई हम कहीं दूर चले जाए हम, शाम का रंग हो गहरा तो सितारे जागे, एक हंसी झील के साहिल पे हमारा घर हो, तुझे देख देख सोना, तुझे देख कर है जगना, मैंने ये जिंदगानी संग तेरे बितानी, तुझमें बसी है मेरी साथ, हाय जिया धड़क धड़क, जिया धड़क धड़क, जिया धड़क धड़क जाए, जिया लगी कोई गानी, जिया धड़क धड़क, जिया धड़क धड़क, जिया धड़क धड़क जाए, कब से है दिल में मेरे हर मकई रंग है, आजा तू दिल में आजा, चाहते रंग से आजा, तुझमें बसी है मेरी साथ, हाय जिया धड़क धड़क, जिया धड़क धड़क, जिया धड़क धड़क जाए, जिया धड़क धड़क, जिया धड़क धड़क जाए. Yeah. Now guys, we have almost fixed it up. Now we just only need to strengthen it so that it will not break up easily. Though it is a thread, and the thread making bond thread plus this super glue is so much strong that it will also bear the load as well. It is also elastic. Whenever we use a piece of thread in the repair, it will make more flexible, and it will not break up easily, because the flexibility will increase and the breaking procedure, it will become less brittle as compared to the mitha soda. Understood? Understood, Abbas?
Yes.
This is, only will take your 20 rupees to fix this cover. Otherwise, you will not be able to get this from the market. There is no new cover available in the market. Okay? Understood, Abbas?
Yes.
I think so. It's enough. बहारो फूल बरसाओ, मेरा महबूब आया है, मेरा महबूब आया है, बहारो फूल बरसाओ. Okay, I'm going to focus this for you, and you will see how the beautiful it has been fixed and became a half moon as like the adjuster. It is also a half moon, and this is also half moon, and it is so much hot as right now, because the chemical reaction is going on. The thread was made of cotton, and the cotton and the super glue आपस में reacting and make a heat reaction. So be careful. It will also make a smog. Look at it. Look at it. Now let's fix this up. Let's fix this up. Habas. And Suto. This is also a half moon. Are you able to see it? Half moon, and this is also half moon, half moon. Let's try to fix this up. हमें तो कभी कभी गम था, हाँ, कि तेरी याद हमें सताती रही, कि तेरी याद हमें सताती रही. बंद करो. हमें तो कभी कभी गम था, हम दोनों की एक कहानी, आजा लग जा गले दिल जाने, तेरा गम मेरा गम एक जैसा सनम, हम दोनों की एक कहानी. Let's check the operation. First of all, there is a little sensor over here, so we will firstly press this sensor so that we can check its operation. Okay, the sensor is now fixed. Now look at it, guys. Look at it. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. तेरा गम मेरा गम एक जैसा सनम, हम दोनों की एक कहानी, आजा लग जा गले दिल जाने. Okay. Always whenever you do something like this, always try this. Don't do this like this. Now look at it. बर्गर बच्चे का काम नहीं हैगा, तो बर्गर बच्चे का काम करना है. ओके, अगर बर्गर ने करना है तो तैयारी रखना है. इस बार चक्कर दिया जैसा चिपक भी जाती है अल्फी, तो डरना जाना ओ साड़ी स्किन चिपक गई, चलो चलो जी, अस्पताल चलो, फिक्र नहीं करो. Allah has made something in the skin, the little pores, it will after some time directly peel it off. Understood? Our skin also doesn't accept the external bodies, outer bodies, and it will आओ कर दें ये है ना, ओमी peel off हो जाएगी. तो टेंशन नहीं लेने का बस. और never ever put this in your eyes. आंखों से बचा के और मुंह से बचा के एंड अदर बाकी सब ये चीजें हमें peel off हो जाएंगियां. Okay, don't get worried. And burger बच्चे, keep out of my range of videos. These videos are not for you, burger बच्चों.